Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Kanus legal team set for full-blown defense on terrorism charges. Kanus legal team set for full-blown defense on terrorism charges. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. Lead counsel to the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, has entered as the legal team of the detained leader of the organization, Nnamdi, is now fully ready for full-blown defense in the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. Ejiofor said, all arrangements have been concluded to make the October 11 resumption of trial proceed unhindered. In a statement issued in Abuja, after a court-ordered routine visits to Kanu in the custody of the Department of the State Services DSS, Ejiofor disclosed that his client was in a high spirit to establish his innocence in the charges. We are doing all that is legally permissible to ensure that the October 11 outing will be recorded as a fruitful one, he said. In spite of being in solitary confinement, Ejiofor revealed that Kanu remained very strong in his conviction, adding that he has defied every strategy adopted by the state to break him. He is resolute and uncompromisingly firm. Self-determination is a right recognized under our laws and other international laws and instruments, Ejiofor added. The lawyer disclosed further that Kanu was greatly excited on being told of the release of Mama Biafra from DSS custody after over 3 months in detention. He could not hold his excitement on hearing the long-awaited news. He thanked me in particular and my legal team for our outstanding professionalism that has always guided our strategy towards rescuing Chineke detained in various facilities of the Nigerian security agencies, he said. Ejiofor statement read, the court ordered written visit to our indefatigable client, Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu, was conducted at the DSS headquarters, Abuja, where Onyedu is still being held in solitary confinement. The visit was still conducted in strict adherence to the new DSS protocol introduced to distort the status quo. Onyedu was comprehensively briefed on the holistic legal approach being adopted to secure his unconditional release. All T's have been crossed and I's dotted, thereby setting the stage ripe for the main business of the 11th day of October 2022 to proceed unhindered. We are doing all that is legally permissible to ensure that the outing will be recorded as a fruitful one. Onyedul is profoundly enthused by the line of actions as atomized towards achieving the desired and best result, which he classified as top-notch. We wish to reiterate that confining Onyedul in a solitary space is no doubt a grave infraction of his right and an established act of torture clearly spelled out clearly spelled out under our laws, and which violation is no doubt aimed, aimed at breaking his spirit. Nonetheless, Onyedu remains very strong in his conviction as he has defied every strategy adopted by the states to break him. He is resolute and uncompromisingly firm. Self-determination is a right recognized under our laws and under and other international laws and instruments. Oyedo was particularly enthused after he was fully briefed on the news of the release of Mama Biafra. He could not hold his excitement on hearing the long-awaited news. He thanked me in particular and my legal team for our outstanding professionalism that has always guided our strategy towards rescuing Umuchineke, detained in various facilities of the Nigerian security agencies. Our new methodology, which will always remain discreet, is a compelling one and result-oriented. And Onyedul encouraged us to keep up the good work. Now that Mama Biafra has been released, pursuant to an application for the enforcement of our fundamental right I had earlier filed on her behalf, we shall continue with the suit to ensure that she is adequately compensated for the period of time she was unlawfully detained in solitary confinement. To my dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.